Hello everyone, I am Kaustubh Gupta of section 9 and my roll number is 21BT30012 and this is my DIY assignment 1 and I made a fidget spinner in this. I used many features of freecad application like pad, loft, revolve, boolean operation, etc. to make this. I made this fidget spinner in different parts and the first part of the spinner is its frame and here is the sketch of the frame. I used many constraints to make this and then I padded it up to the length of 2 mm to give it a look like this. And the second part of the spinner is its bearing. And here I used the boolean operation to subtract the volume of one cylinder from other. And I also used polar array feature to multiply the number of balls present here. And the third part is the pin of the spinner and the sketch of the pin is like this. Here I use the revolve feature to make it look like this, and then I also use the fillet option to curve the edges of the pin to look it good, and then I assembled them all to make a fidget spinner and also gave it a color using the appearance feature. Now I used the mesh feature to mesh it, and then we have to export it to the STL file, and then we have to open the STL file in the Cura Ultimaker software to print it. Here are my print settings. I kept the layer height to 0.2 millimeter. The infill density is 100% to give it a good quality product, and the printing temperature is 200 degrees Celsius. The build plate temperature is 60 degrees Celsius, and I kept the print speed to 60 mm per second, and here the build plate adhesion is raft. Now we have to click to the slice to estimate the print time. So now as you can see, it will take 3 hours 34 minutes to print it. We can also preview the printing process to look how it will be printed. So here you can see how it will be printed. Now we have to save it to the disk in the G-code file to print it. So now it is saved, so it is now ready to print. Thank you.